Today in math we did lesson 13. The objective of the lesson is to divide decimals by single-digit whole numbers that involve easily identifiable multiples, and we're using place value to do this division. So I'm going to do number 6 from their homework. They can do this video or watch this video and copy the solution and work into their book. The problem reads, Julian bought 3.9 liters of cranberry juice and Jay bought 8.74 liters of apple juice. They mixed the two juices together and then they poured them equally into 2 bottles. So this is a 2-step word problem. Step one would be to add the 2 juices together. So I have 3.9 and I have 8.74. So I got to make sure my decimal points are lined up and my place value are lined up. Then I'm going to do my addition. 9 plus 7 is 16, carry the 1. 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So mixed together, that's 12.64 liters. Now we're going to pour them equally into 2 bottles. That means divided by 2. So this is now step 2 of the problem. Now this is how we divided in class today. We used place value. So right here, this 12 I know is divisible by 2. So this is 12 ones. So I'm going to divide that by 2. 12 ones divided by 2 is 6 ones. Then I'm going to look here at the decimal, and I'm going to look at 64. I know that 64 is divisible by 2. So I'm going to say this is 64 hundredths, because it's 2 places after the decimal point. And I'm going to divide that by 2. We're always dividing by 2 in this problem. And 64 hundredths divided by 2, well, 64 divided by 2 is 32. And we're talking hundredths, so we'll keep that in hundredths. So now I have 6 ones and 32 hundredths. If I was going to write that as a decimal, it would be 6.32 liters. And that's how you would do number 6. And right here, this is how we did our division today of decimals.